Max. His name is Max. Do you want to eat? Eat, Max. Yeah. This dog is very kind. This dog is very mabait. He don't smash your feet or eat. Max. Hi, Max. Come. Max. He afraid of me. Hey, Max. You have more food here. Eat. See? Very mabait. Hey, Max, eat. Yeah. Max. Hey, guys. Max is very mabait. Very kind. Hey, Max. Eat. Very kind dog, Max. Gusto kong si Max. Malaking aso to. Big dog. Max. Wow. Yummy. Yummy.